Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you a fun first impression and demo video of the PAC Master Stroke brushes. So these are the PAC Master Stroke brushes. They are like the PAC version of the Artis brushes. So they have 10 brushes and it retails as 6350. Why I went ahead and bought this product is because a while ago I had won a giveaway from PAC and they had sent this tiny oval brush which I really liked for applying my crease color. These brushes launched today. That's why I made this demo video and I've done my entire makeup and I have used only brushes from this set. Now before we start, let me just hydrate with some refreshing Aam Panna. Now starting off with my foundation, I'll be dotting my foundation all over my face and then going in with the brush number 02 to buff this foundation into my face. Now the key with these oval brushes is that you do not bounce the brush or stipple the brush. You actually slide or swipe it across your face, and that is what gives maximum coverage. Now for my concealer, I will be going in with my PAC 03 brush to conceal my dark circles and swiping it across my under eye area for maximum coverage. Moving on to contouring, I'll be dipping into my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and using the color Shadow Play along with my PAC 04 brush to contour the sides of my cheekbones and my chin area. Now the reason why I used a powder contour is because I knew they would work well with a cream contour because they work well with foundations and concealers. Now we'll be doing a little bit of nose contouring using my PAC 06 brush, and to buff this contour in I'll be using the PAC 09 so that I get a sharper nose, and I then again go in and conceal my dark circles and highlight the other high points of my face. And I will be blending all of this in using my PAC 04 which I clean on a microfiber cloth. You can use a brush cleanser if you want, but just swirling it around on a microfiber cloth also gives you a very good spot cleaning so that you can reuse the brushes. Now for my eyes, I'll be going into the Manny MUA and Makeup Geek palette and using a couple of colors from the palette for my crease colors as well as my brow bone color. I'll list all of the colors in the description, and I'm using the brush 10 from the PAC Master Stroke set to apply all of these colors. Now I go in with one of the oval brushes that I mentioned in the beginning, which is not part of the set, to blend this out a little bit because this brush number 10 is a little bit stiff is what I felt, so I went in with the other brush just to blend this out. Now for my eyelids, I'll be using this green eyeshadow from PAC Cosmetics and I'll be applying this all over my eyelids using the brush 05 from this brush set. And for my brow bone color, I will be using a light shimmery color and applying it using my PAC 06 brush. And finally for my inner corner, I'll be using the same highlight color and I'll be going in with my PAC 10 brush. And for my eyeliner, I'll be using my Inglot gel eyeliner in the shade 77 and I'll apply it using my PAC 08 brush. It's a nice thin brush. It does allow you to apply a thin eyeliner, but it doesn't let you create a very nice wing. So I kept my eyeliner simple and I did not wing it this time. For my blush, again I go in with my 04. Now to fix my eyebrows, I'll be first going in with my color bar pencil and then shaping my brows using my PAC 06 brush from this set. Finally for the lower lash line, I'll be using the brush PAC 07 to apply my crease colors on my lower lash line. Then I'll be doing a little bit of highlighting with my Anastasia Glow Kit and my PAC brushes number 3 and 4. Finally, I'll be using the brush number 9 to apply my liquid lipstick And the only brush that I have not used in this set is brush number 1 because it's too big. So I hope you like this video, guys. Now for my first impression, I actually really like the face brushes that they have provided. I think this is my favorite, pack 03. This number 3 is my favorite brush of all. Even though I use this to apply my foundation, I think this is also a very good brush of the entire lot. Then off of my eye brushes, I really love this one. It's very nice for applying the lid color, so this also is something I really recommend. And I'm not a very big blush person, but number 4 also is something I really like. So in short, 3, 4 and 5 are my favorites of all of these 10 brushes. If you want to try these brushes, I think you could go for one of these. I would prefer the 3 or the 4 because I think their face brushes are the best. So you could try one of them, and then if you like it, you can order more because these brushes are available individually. Brush number 10 is also a brush that I used a lot to apply the color of the outer V and my crease. The only problem I have with this, and my inner corner, obviously I forgot. The only problem I had with this brush was it was not as soft as the other brushes. I'm not very sure if I'll be using this for anything except my inner corner highlight. The remaining 4 brushes, I think the eyeliner brush and this one 07, the one which I used to apply my lower color on my lower lash line. These 2 brushes I like, but these 2 I'm not so sure, so I need to use these for some more time. In short, I really liked their brushes. If you ask me if it's a must have, I would not say yes completely. Some of the brushes are, and since they are available individually, if you're somebody who is very picky about their makeup and their tools, then I would suggest you buy just 1 or 2, try it out, and if you do try, do let me know in the comment section. These are available in store and online, so I will link all of the info in the description. For all the people living in Mumbai, you can go and check out the brushes and then pick it up if you want. For the rest of my lovelies, I will link everything in the description. So I hope you like this video. Do follow me on my social media and do let me know if you liked my oval brush experiment in the comment section. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.